There is a DIY kit that you can install inside of your Lego Game Boy Lego set. And you can actually play Game Boy games on it, which is really cool. So you already have to have the Lego Game Boy before you buy this. And then you install BrickBoy inside of it. And there's 3 different versions. So there's the Essential Kit, which just gives you the basics. So you get the grayscale screen, and you get the speaker, and it works with the original Lego buttons. But you don't get batteries, so you have to have your own, I guess. And you get the installation guide. And then the gamer kit is the one that comes with everything. So you get like enhanced game controls, like the volume, the brightness, and you can change the emulation speed. You get Bluetooth connection, you get wireless updates, you get a rechargeable battery, a customizable backlight, accelerated gameplay mode, which I have no idea what the hell that is. And you can play Game Boy Classic, Color, and advanced titles on it. So it's like a full GBA emulator you get to install inside your Lego Game Boy. The collector's edition is just for people that want to put it on display. So like the USB port is exposed, so you can always have it plugged in 24/7 and just make it display games all the time. That's really cool. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.